Let's go see the train, baby.
No.
Let's go. Up. Wait, I want to record the waterfall. Go ahead. Go. Hurry up. Go look at the train. Come on, baby.
Oh, we're going with that. Look at the train.
Over here, baby. Go up, baby. Up. Up the stairs. There's a train. Let's go get a closer look. Come on, baby. Let's go in the shade. Over there, shade. And then we can watch the train.
You know those little bees right there? Over there? Yeah, Mommy said not to be afraid. They sting you every time. They don't care. They just sting you a million times.
Let's see, where can we sit? Over here, baby. Come sit over here. You can watch the train. You can sit down, baby. You want to sit down? This is cool. Look how close we are to the train.
This is my first time being so close to a train. I'm getting itchy.
Itchy, come over here.
What's the end of the train?
That's it.
Come on, Mommy, let's go.
Hold on. I want to go see over here. You guys stay over here. Look at it. It's just train tracks. Okay, let's go back. It's not gonna sting you if you don't mess with them, baby.
Yeah, it's definitely a scaredy cat.
Come on, baby.
I'm not kind of a bee person. I don't want to walk in there. Let's walk straight.
Oh, let me see the water. I know. We're gonna go straight.
So I just don't want to get stung by those green giant bees.
There's holes in the ground.
Huh?
There are some holes in the ground.
Yeah.
Any more trains coming? No.
No, Mommy. I'm not. No. That was my first time being so close to a train. Okay. Oh no.
It was cool, huh? Let's go on the bridge. Let's go walk on the bridge.
Mama. It's okay.
Yeah, we're going back. We gotta go back this way.